Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to change the overall color scheme and even the combinations of the color scheme in your AutoCAD software. So it is very simple. You first have to type the command options enter, which has a shortcut of OP enter, and you have to wait for the dialog box to open. After the dialog box gets open, you have to straightly go to the display panel of the options panel. Then in the color theme, you have to choose. There are basically two options, light and dark. So basically light will give you a white, overall white tone of this, and the dark will give you the gray and black tone of this, which you can currently see on the screen. So then we go with the light options, and then display tabs. You have to go to colors, and then you have to change this black color to white, and then press apply and close, and again you have to press apply and close. So it will take a few seconds to change the overall scheme of the or AutoCAD software, and now your software is you're well and good to go for the light and the white color scheme. If you want to turn off the grid, there is an easy options of going which is right from here. You can just turn it off. Then after that, then again, if you want to change specifically the screen color to black and keep this white, that option is also possible. Again, you have to type op enter. You have to go again to the same panel of display, color, and choose the color black, and press apply and press OK. So basically your overall color theme is in light, but your display screen is in the black color. So how we will again do that is very simple, and this is how we turn off the grids. And again we will do op enter, press enter, and choose the color scheme to again the color theme to again dark, which is this. Press apply and straight OK. So this is how we change the color scheme and the color patterns in AutoCAD, and that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you very much.